Hi there, it's Pete Spender here, Specialist Business Advisor and CEO of MyMalexo. I've been engaged by your local council to come and run a series of workshops that are really relevant and timely for all small to medium business owners within the Inverell Shire Council region. These workshops are completely free for you. Each of the workshops is going to be run over 3 sessions, so you can attend either one or all 3 or 2. Mix and match if you please. They're going to be run on the Feb 20th and Feb 21st, so only in a couple of weeks' time. Now, the first day. So I started my first business back in 1999, and that business turned into a very, very successful business very quickly. However, the journey didn't last long, and within 5 years, what went up came crashing down and it fell apart. One of the reasons is because I didn't understand the process of business planning, and I didn't understand how to take a business plan and how to turn it into a tool, how to turn it into something that is really powerful, effective, that me and my team could use to actually stay viable for the long term. Could have prevented a lot of things, and we'd be having a different discussion today. So, first series of workshops will be about business planning, and I'm not talking about writing a 50-page document. I'm talking about something that is live, that is real, tangible, that you can use within your business to make impact, meaningful changes right now. Now, the second topic is a bit of a mouthful, but you need to understand this topic. It's the topic of digital transformation. We can't avoid it. Digital is everywhere, and in fact, more so than ever, we've now got access, as small to medium business owners, access to tools and technology that we could never ever imagine 5-10 years ago. The power of these is phenomenal, but only if you know how to use them, only if you know what to do with them and how to use them from commercial purpose within your business. So, digital transformation is the second series of workshops that I'm going to be running. That's going to be running on Feb 21st. 3 time slots, come to one, come to all, maximum 3 hours in duration. Very, very powerful stuff. Now, all my workshops are engaging, they're fun, they're hands-on, so you're not going to be bored to death. You will be asked to participate in certain things. It'll be interesting. And I've got some special prizes and giveaways as part of a thank you to all the attendees. I'd like to say a big thank you to the Chamber of Commerce and to Inverell Shire Council for funding this. This is a special workshop series paid for by Chamber of Commerce and Council. So please, all small to medium enterprises within Inverell Shire Council, register, attend, and I'll see you there in a few weeks' time, and let's see what impact we can make in your business over the next few months. Thanks for watching. Bye.